Oh! I just...
I need to know. Who did it? Who did it?
To another person ever. I was absolutely devastated. I thought that
So my parents also use this account, and last night we ran into the situation where it was like, there are two, yeah, so next time we're going to upgrade it and do like, so if it asks you.
He says nope. Back up.
It's actually pushing me.
Happy birthday! Oh, you fucking cunt. God damn you, Willow.
Miren esto. Comida está ahí. Comida.
No hagas nadie.
Otra comida.
Come here, Lucy. Look what I got. Come on. Come on.
Bop.
Well, what the fuck are you doing?
Did you just do that?
Hey.
It's 7:30 in the morning. Shh.
Show me your bad dog. Show me that bad dog.
Go get it!
No, you got to dance. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Go, good girl.
There you go. Good girl.
No, the guy, he was crossing the road.
I'm so tired. It's not easy being cute. I'm so freaking stinking cute. Please stop filming, that's just rude. I'm so tired.
No.
Get it, Una!
Stay. Okay.
When you're running late for work and you want your dog to just hurry up and come back home. Legs. I just see my pants. Medio.
Old bus driver. Just regular, normal passengers.
Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Got it? Oh my god. Open it. Open the gate.
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
Sit.
Do the roar. Do the roar. Do the roar.
Can you say hello? Good boy. Can you say how are you?
Mommy, do you really have to work today? Why don't you stay here with me? Maybe we can order some snacks and watch a movie. You can choose it if you want. I just want to stay here with you.
Give me the bone. Get that bone. Get that bone.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Bet it'd be good at like a ring toss.
So I let him win sometimes.
Oh, you got it, Mommy.
Give me. Give me that thing.
Piper, can I have a blanket? Can I have a blanket? No. Have a blanket? Can't.
Esa la puedes mandar a The Most Funny Video.
Ja pierdolę. Znowu poniedziałek. Znowu trzeba iść do jebanej roboty. Zmarnować kolejne 8 godzin z życia, robiąc coś, czego nie lubisz z ludźmi, którzy ciebie wkurwiają.